everyone, welcome to Gangnam Korean. I'm Juhee. 여러분 안녕하세요. 오늘은요, 제가 여러분께 꼭 할 말이 있어서 왔습니다. Today I'm here to say something to you which is very, very important. 여러분 감사합니다. Well, I want to say thank you because making Gangnam Korean videos is so much fun, although it takes a lot of time. Well, it makes me lively and focused. So Gangnam Korean becomes so important in my life. 여러분 정말 감사합니다. And 감사합니다 is also today's expression. So are you ready to learn? So today's expression is 감사합니다, which means thank you. Well, I guess you already know this expression 감사합니다 because you're interested in Korean. There are other expressions, alternative expressions for 감사합니다, by the way. In English, you have
Thank you, thanks a lot, many thanks, I can't thank you enough, I would like to appreciate it, I would like to express my gratitude, etc. etc.
there are a lot. But in Korean, basically, there are only two expressions to express your thankfulness. Number one, 감사합니다. Number two, 고맙습니다. Try again. 감사합니다. Number two, 고맙습니다. Okay, let's try this expression by pronouncing it clearly. First of all, 감사합니다. 감, 사, 합, 니, 다. 합니다. Oh, it's kind of difficult to pronounce. So we just say 합니다. Let's try again. 감사합니다. 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 Another expression, what was that? 고맙습니다. Let's try it. 고맙습니다. 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 And since these 감사합니다 and 고맙습니다 are very formal expressions, if you want to be less formal but still want to be polite, instead of saying 감사합니다, you could say 감사해요. 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 Or instead of saying 고맙습니다, you say 고마워요. Let's try it. 고마워요. 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 And if you want to say thank you to your friend who uses 반말 with you in formal language, and you say 고마워. 고마워. You can say this all the time.
고마워, 고마워, 고마워.
But for some reason, people don't say 감사해. 감사해 is not wrong. It's actually used, but it sounds a little more poetic and more written, so it's found a lot in hymns or gospels. But not in daily conversations. We say 고마워 rather than 감사해. Okay? So let's just practice 고마워. 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 Okay then. What do you say when somebody says thank you to you? You could say,
You're welcome. Anytime. My pleasure. Oh, come on, it's nothing. Don't mention it. Sure, etc. etc.
in Korean, if someone says 고맙습니다 or 감사합니다 to you, you say 별 말씀을요, which is very similar to don't mention it, or 뭘요, which means oh, it's nothing. So 별 말씀을요, basically it comes from this longer sentence, 별 말씀을 다 하시네요, which literally means you are saying something special unnecessarily. Well, it's very long and redundant, so we just say 별 말씀을요. 별 means special, 말씀 means words, 을 is an object marking particle, 요 is a verb ending. So 별 말씀을요. But it's hard to pronounce 말씀을, so we say 말씀을. 말씀을. We call it 연음 or prolonged sound because 미음, which is the 받침 or the last or the final consonant in the syllable 씀, and 을, which is an object marking particle that begins with a vowel because 을, 이응 has no sound. So 씀을, 스물, this 미음 becomes the first consonant sound of the next syllable, which is 을. So it's not 스물, instead it's 스물, 스물. So let's practice. 별 말씀을요. 별 말씀을요. 별 말씀을요. 별 말씀을요. And another expression, 뭘요. 뭘요. 뭘요 is nothing. It's nothing. So, if you say 별 말씀을요 or 뭘요 to someone who says 고맙습니다 or 감사합니다 to you, he or she will be impressed. So, do you want to practice these expressions and impress Korean people? Alright, then let's try it. 별 말씀을요. 별 말씀을요. 별 말씀을요. 별 말씀을요. 뭘요? 뭘요? Okay, now you can say very confidently 뭘요 or 별 말씀을요. So when I say 감사합니다 to you, you say one of these, okay? 여러분 감사합니다. Wow, excellent! Well, if you like this video, please click like and subscribe and make sure you visit my Instagram and you'll be able to see lots of photos of Korea. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you next time. 여러분, 다음 시간에 만나요. Bye-bye!